Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yet another skincare review. Today I'm going to be talking about some newly launched M-Caffeine skincare products, and I promise you by the end of the video you will definitely pick up 3 to 4 products for your own self, because I do feel M-Caffeine happened to launch some very good summer oriented skincare products, and they work absolutely wonderful in this extremely hot summer weather, and the skin is loving the products, and I have been enjoying my skin because of these interesting products I happen to include into my skincare routine. And I'll tell you, mostly all new skincare products I have been using, and M-Caffeine is one of those brands who have really amazed me with all the different launches they have been doing. And I happened to grab a lot of their new launches, and I've been testing them out more than 1.5 months, and here I am with the complete dedicated review. And without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product is pretty interesting, very different. I've never used something like this in the past, and this is very good for people who have acne prone skin. So if you have these small zits or pimple hair, it's drying out, it suddenly pops out and there is a blood, you want to clean it up, this is the product you should go for. It really instantly cleans up your face, as well as थोड़े बहुत भी कहीं zits हैं, this product will start healing your skin. Is the M-Caffeine 2% salicylic acid, zinc PCA and matcha tea clear skin acne pads, and it is made for oily and acne prone skin. So this is how the product is. Very interesting packaging. You open it, you get a spatula here, not a spatula, I would say a pickup stick, and then you have these pads here. So I have used quite a few pads here now. So I use them when I have some zits going around my mouth and I want to instantly just clean up that area without cleansing my face a lot. Like, I cannot cleanse my face like 10 times in a day, because that will lead to extreme dryness as well. So this is definitely something innovative. So आप ये अपने बैग में भी कैरी कर सकते हो अगर आपको ज़्यादा इरिटेशन हो रही है, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका पिंपल बहुत ज़्यादा है और बहुत ज़्यादा पेन है, एक पैड निकाल लो, just wipe your face and you will definitely feel more soothed. And this product works on your acne and active acne. So this is a very interesting and a very beautiful product, something very innovative I would say. And this will give you oil control. It will definitely clean your pores. Your pores will not feel clogged, as well as I said, it soothes skin. So even if you're a dry skin and you have these small zits happening suddenly and you don't know what to do, buy something like this. इससे क्या होता है ना कि आप सिर्फ concerned area पे ही ये product लगाते हो, आपको इसे पूरे face पे लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So yes, something I absolutely love by M-Caffeine. I will definitely go back and repurchase this product. So M-Caffeine happened to launch 3 different products in the same line. I happened to pick up 2 of those. So one I have already shown you. The second product I happened to pick up was the M-Caffeine Anti-Acne Acne Arrest Spot Corrector Cream. This is how the product would come. Very interesting product. I have already repurchased it, and I really like the mouth of it. So it's not a typical corrector. Firstly, talking about the packaging, it has a silicone tip. Product उतना ही निकलता है जितने की ज़रूरत है. You put it onto your acne, close it, and there you have it. One, when you use this, do not give it to someone else. अगर आप हाथ से product use करते हो, definitely you can share, but if you directly use it, don't give it to anyone else. Now, this product is definitely going to give you acne correction. Now, what is acne correction? तो अगर आपको acne हुआ, आप इस क्रीम को लगा लो वहाँ पे, then you start to see your acne dry down, and simultaneously the acne will pop out. अगर पस वाला acne है या आपको blood आ रहा है acne से, it will start healing, and then you will not even have acne scar thereafter. So there are a lot of products which can heal your acne, but they leave an acne scar. यहाँ पे आपको acne scar नहीं मिलेगा. Another beautiful thing about this product is, product ऐसा कुछ promise नहीं करता कि एक रात में acne चले जाएगा. You apply this product on a particular acne consecutively 3 days, you will see a clear skin. किसी की skin पे pigmentation थोड़े दिनों के बाद जाती है, ये scars थोड़े और delay में जाते हैं, but ये product acne specifically 3 दिन में आराम से निकाल देता है, without hurting you, without tingling your skin, or without making you feel that आपने कोई acne correction product लगाया हुआ है. सो किसी भी फॉर्म में ये आपको हर्ट नहीं करता, आपको इरिटेशन फील नहीं होती। जैसे मैं टी ट्री ऑयल लगाती हूँ तो मुझे टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन होता है, वो भी नहीं होगा आपको इससे। So even if you have painful acne, this works like magic. And another one thing which brand says that it reduces blemish size. So मैंने तो इसे solely acne पे ही use किया हुआ है and I have seen no acne scars thereafter. I don't even see blemishes happening around that. So yes, all in all, a product which you must invest even if you're a dry skin. किसको नहीं चाहिए कि उसकी स्किन क्लियर हो, एज वेल एज ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट जो अफोर्डेबल हो और 3 दिन में एक मैजिकल स्किन दे दे आपको। नाउ द 3 मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर, फर्स्ट 1% सैलिसिक एसिड, 1% सिकेनिक एसिड एंड इट हैज matcha tea as well. So a product which I feel it's worth every single penny and it is a working and a performing product. I'll tell you, मैंने आज तक बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट ऐसे यूज़ किए हैं, but this is by far one of the best I have used by MCaffeine and you must try. I have already repurchased mine. Moving on to another interesting product and a serum by MCaffeine जो मैंने खरीदा नहीं था, मुझे फ्री मिला था and I absolutely love it again, is the MCaffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum. Now I have tried green tea face serum from various expensive brands and when I started using this one I was like, मुझे ये पहले क्यों नहीं मिला? Why didn't I try this one? Because this is definitely comparable to a high-end brand. Because I have used Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. It is an expensive product. It was a working product, but I had to shell out like 2,000 rupees. Here, this serum is just going to cost you 625 rupees on MRP, and MCaffeine generally runs very amazing offers. उसमें तो आपको बहुत affordable हो जाएगा ये और. So the product is really nice. It's not very runny. It's just like any other green tea seed serum जो आपने कभी देखा होगा, and इसकी जो consistency है ना ज़्यादा runny है ना ज़्यादा thick है. So it just blends into the skin like magic and does not make you feel heavy, greasy और tacky during the day. ये आप लगा लो, इसके बाद अगर आप मॉइस्चराइजर भी नहीं लगाओगे then also you're fine and you're good to go in the day because this is nicely hydrated also. So I really like this serum. Now best part about this serum is like if you have a very dry skin, this has the ability to give you that nice hydration without making you look extremely oily and your skin really loves it. So I in between had a lot of dry patches and this is that serum I was using because I wanted some hydration, but I wanted a serum which is not overly hydrated or like completely a hyaluronic acid serum. I was avoiding that. So I started using this one and I must tell you I'm amazed, and it's such a lovely product which can give you skin correction. It will definitely heal your skin, soothe your skin and calm your skin, and since you are into your aging, it is an anti-aging serum as well. So if you haven't tried MCaffeine green tea face serum, then you must, because this is something I'm absolutely loving, and in a very long time if any green tea serum I've used is this one. So yes, this is again something MCaffeine has done an amazing job and it is fully approved. Now before I get into the next 3 products, I'm a combination to oily skin. As of now, I'm extremely oily and I'm extremely sweaty. So all of the products I happen to show you and will be showing you in future, they just perform absolutely wonderful onto my skin with or without makeup. Now let's jump on to the next product, and something again by MCaffeine is the MCaffeine Insta Bright Kombucha Tea Under Eye Cream SPF 30 PA4+. Now इसकी सबसे मेन खास बात ये है कि ये प्रोडक्ट आपके पिगमेंटेशन को दूर करेगा और आपकी आंखों पे एक ब्राइटनेस देगा. 2 ही मेन काम है इसके. इसी काम के लिए आप इसे खरीदना. यू विल डेफिनेटली सी रिजल्ट्स. Now this product when you apply onto, जैसे मेरे यहाँ मुझे डार्क सर्कल नीचे नहीं है, मेरे डार्क सर्कल मेरे लिड्स पे हैं. सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डजंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस एस्पेक्ट एज वेल. जब आपकी लिड्स थोड़ी डार्क हो और नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है, दैट मीन्स इट्स जस्ट वाइस वर्सा. सो व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग विद दिस प्रोडक्ट, जैसे ही मैंने इसे खरीदा, आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग ऑन माई लिड एंड आई हैव सीन अ कंसिडरेबल चेंज इन द स्किन टोन ऑफ माई अपर लिड. नाउ आई सी माई शैडोज मोर बेटर and more clearer, and my underneath eye looks more brightened up. This product can be worn with or without makeup and this product performs. थोड़ा सा ही, मतलब not even a drop you need for one eye. A drop can be applied on both the eyes. This product will last you long. And this is again something I'm amazed, like I have never used a product like this. So this is again something out of the box, and since it has kombucha tea, it is going to add that brightness and it will work on your hyperpigmentation. So yes, if you haven't tried something like this by any other brand, then try this one. This is really good and I absolutely love it, and I'm definitely repurchasing it. Now since we were talking about the kombucha tea under eye cream, let's talk about the same kombucha tea sunscreen by M Caffeine. Is the Hydra Repair Kombucha Tea Sunscreen with ceramide and hyaluronic acid, SPF 50 PA++. So this is UVA, it is going to give you UVA and UVB protection, and it is non-sticky and doesn't have any kind of white cast. Spot on claims hai ye. I'm so happy with this sunscreen, like the other one also, which I'm going to show you. I love that as well, but I'm amazed that Indian brands are getting sunscreens which does not leave any white cast, and you have 50 SPF, that is more important, and it gives you so much of protection. Now this sunscreen is super light, very comfortable, and I must tell you, ये आपको लगेगा कि आप कोई मॉइस्चराइजर ही लगा रहे हो. So I would say अगर आपको मॉइस्चराइजर नहीं भी लगानी है, आप सिर्फ यही लगा लो, it's more than enough. So again, this is a product which I'm obsessed with. I am definitely going back and repurchasing this one, but I recently checked, M Caffeine has launched 3 more different variants, so I'm going to try the new ones, I feel now. But this is something which you can just straight away and go ahead buy. If you are a combination to oily skin, dry skin, everyone is going to love this. The other thing which I noticed about this sunscreen, again, it definitely adds that brightness to the skin, and it does not allow the sun to basically tan your skin. So the time of the hour when I wear this sunscreen specifically is 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock ke beech mein, when the sun is extremely like right onto your head and right onto your face. That time I wear this sunscreen and go down because I have to pick up my son, and it works magical. So you would have never seen like a change into my skin tone. Reason being, I've been taking care of my skin and I've been wearing some good sunscreens, and this is that one. So this will definitely protect you from UVA and UVB rays, and you will definitely have a clean and a clear skin. So if you haven't tried a good sunscreen and you are hunting for a good sunscreen, और आपको कोई मेहनत नहीं करनी है सोचने के लिए, तो आप ये ले लो. ये बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है, and it is fully approved. And now moving on to the last product and the sunscreen, again by M Caffeine, Sunfix Daily Glue Green Tea Sunscreen with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide with SPF 50 PA++++, not triple+. And again, this sunscreen is going to protect you from UVA and UVB rays, and it is non-creasy and does not leave any sort of white cast. Now the best part about this sunscreen is it has niacinamide into it, so it is going to give you skin correction as well. Now skin correction doesn't happen in one usage, you have to regularly use the sunscreen. So I use this as one of my first sunscreen when I do my first skincare routine in the morning. So I use this sunscreen by default. Now the texture of this sunscreen is also very light, very subtle. You can use it just like any other moisturizer of your, and I must tell you, you don't even have to put a moisturizer thereafter. So आप serum के बाद सीधा sunscreen ही लगा लो and you are sorted for the day. Now another best thing about these sunscreens are that you can wear this underneath your makeup and your makeup does not budge. So when you use sunscreens which has properties like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, then you should use it regularly to see those beautiful changes onto your skin, that skin correction and the brightness. And since the sunscreen has 50 SPF, you will definitely be saved by that tanning due to sun. Now both of these sunscreens are beautifully done. कोई भी ले लो, आपको दोनों ही अच्छी लगेगी, but I would highly recommend buy both and start using both simultaneously. So yes, they are fully approved for all skin type, and my combination to oily skin, do not be scared, just get them, you're just gonna love them. And there you discovered some newly launched M Caffeine skincare products. Though M Caffeine has recently launched few or more products, I've already placed an order. I will start using them and let you know how I feel about them as well. But these 6 products which I happen to talk about today, they are like spot on. All the products are hit. I will be leaving all the links in my description if you want to check out any of the products, but I do feel you should check them out now because they are well done for summer weathers as well as winter weathers. But a lot of these products, like almost every single product, will support summer weather as well. So if you really loved watching today's video, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!